All right, everybody, Logan Alec here from Money Done Right. In this video, I'm going to share with you three little known ways, or at least little known to some people, three little known ways to redeem your credit card points. I'm not saying these are necessarily the best ways to redeem your points for your individual situation. You really have to run the numbers to find out, but I think these redemption methods are at least worth looking into. As with all credit card point redemption strategies, it's important for you to make sure that the value you're getting on a per point basis with these novel redemption methods equals or exceeds the maximum value you could get for redeeming your points in a more standard way, such as for a statement credit or a gift card. Little known redemption method number one, Amazon. Amazon allows you to redeem credit card rewards such as Citi Thank You points and American Express membership rewards points on your purchases. Caveat here, most of the time this isn't the best way to redeem your points. However, Amazon is trying to get more publicity about these programs by sometimes offering special discounts to people who redeem their Citi or Amex points on purchases. For example, a couple months ago, I took advantage of a targeted promotion that Amazon was running where if you redeem at least one Citi Thank You point on a purchase, you received 20% off your Amazon purchase up to $30. I did just that. I redeemed one Citi Thank You point and I saved $30 on my purchase. So in this case, my one Citi Thank You point was worth basically $30, which is phenomenal. So while redeeming points on Amazon may not typically be that great, sometimes Amazon does have special promotions that could actually be pretty good. I don't have a specific link for this promotion because it is my understanding that it is targeted and occasional. I just saw the deal on my Amazon homepage and took advantage of it. So be sure to keep your eyes peeled for targeted offers like this. Now, I suspect that the reason why Amazon targeted me for this promotion is because I had a Citi credit card with a thank you point balance linked to my Amazon account as a payment method. So I would recommend you link at least one Citi card with a thank you point balance to Amazon and maybe an American Express card with an American Express membership rewards point balance to Amazon in hopes that you'll get targeted for a similar offer in the future. Second cool and little known thing you can do with your credit card points is invest them. Credit card points are fun and can give you rewards on your everyday spending, but investing your cash is the true way to grow long-term wealth. A few credit cards make it easy to invest your rewards. For example, the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Card has no annual fee and gives you 2% cash back in the form of points that you can transfer to your linked Fidelity investment accounts. American Express also has a line of Charles Schwab cards that you can use to earn cash back automatically deposited into your Schwab investment account. Of course, even if you don't have a card that's specifically marketed toward users who want to transfer their points to their investment account, you can do the same thing with other cashback cards. For example, if you have the Citi Double Cash card and have your cashback deposited to your bank account, you can simply transfer that amount from your bank account to your brokerage account and invest it. Little known way number three to redeem credit card points is to transfer them to travel partners for upgraded international flights. Okay, you may already know about this, but I found that even people who know about this method of redeeming credit card points don't always take advantage of it like they should. I see this a lot with Chase Ultimate Rewards points. You could simply redeem your Chase Ultimate Rewards points for travel through Chase, through the Ultimate Rewards platform, which granted would give you a 25% redemption bonus with a Chase Sapphire Preferred and a 50% redemption bonus with a Chase Sapphire Reserve, but you could possibly extract even more value from your points by transferring them to travel partners such as hotel and airline rewards programs. Your mileage may vary, but I personally found that I can get the most bang for my Chase Ultimate Rewards points when I transfer them to travel partners to redeem for long-haul business or first-class flights. And you really have to do the math. You have to calculate how many points you would get at the travel partner for transferring your Chase or American Express or Citi points. And you have to calculate how much a point at a travel partner is worth based on the flight you're planning to take or the hotel stay you're planning on purchasing, then divide the cash price of the flight or the hotel stay by the number of that travel partner's rewards program's points or miles necessary to book it. And that tells you the value per travel partner point. Then you have to compare that to the transfer ratio with Amex or Chase or wherever you're transferring from, and seeing if you're getting more value per point than you could get with a more traditional method or an easier method of redeeming your points. And if you are, the transfer is probably worth it, but if you're not, then you're probably better off not transferring your points and just using them within the credit card reward platform itself. And here's one bonus thought for you before I sign off here, and that's that generally speaking, a pretty bad way of redeeming credit card points is to redeem them for merchandise. When you do this, you'll typically get a lower value per point than you would by simply redeeming for a statement credit or travel rewards. But of course, your mileage may vary depending on your particular rewards program, so you really have to do the math based on your own point situation. All right, folks, that is all I have for you in this video. I also have a video right over here where I talk about credit card rewards and taxes. I also have a video right down here where I review one of my favorite cashback cards, the Citi Double cards. I'll see you over in those videos. Bye-bye.